is ablative, but it's white ablative. But ablative nonetheless. There is a lot of growth on this boat, and a lot of growth on the outdrive and the trim tabs. It looks like it's a Bravo 3. It has the double props, and these trim tabs look like they, hold on one second. Might have a R3 trim tab zinc on both. I would have to say, because of the growth, this looks like it would take about 2 hours to clean fully. And the slip is very shallow, so it would have to do closer to high